Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Carmela Ilibur, 36 years old, from Caloocan City, Philippines. Single. I am high school graduate. I have work experience from United Arab Emirates for 2 years. There are 3 members of the family. I am nanny, the 1-year-old girl, my duties and responsibilities for the baby. I cook the nutritious food, cleaning the bottle, changing diaper, taking a bath, and give some medicine and vitamins. And also, I will do the household chores like cooking, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing clothes, grocery shopping, gardening, and sometimes car washing. Mom and sir, if you hire me, I promise to you, I am good, responsible, trustworthy person, and I promise I follow your rules and regulation in your house. Thank you and God bless.